Hello, my name is Ryan with Northwest Roof Maintenance. Today we are doing a rake edge repair here. A rake edge is the board that runs down along here. The piece on top here, this is the trim piece, and that's rotted out down here. So we're going to be taking this off and replacing it, and then we're going to be flashing it properly, doing new underlayment, new metal flashing, so that it will prevent the same problem from repeating itself. And Diego's here. We're still at it. So we got the trim board put on underneath here. This is the new trim board. This is the proper metal flashing that this roof was missing in the first place. This is called T-metal flashing. It's to protect the wood on the edge here, so if rain comes over, it'll be able to drip off and not get onto the wood underneath. And next we're going to be running our better layer of ice and water over the top here to seal off the edge better. And we just gotta shingle it back up and put it back together. Okay, so we're all finished up now. We got that new piece of trim board on underneath here, and then the new flashing. And we have our shingles coming out, which get with this overlap coming out a little bit more. It's way more watertight than it was now, and there should be no moisture sitting on this wood down here anymore. So yeah, we're all finished up. Job well done.